Okay guys, we're going to show you how to use these projector lights. So we're going to show you how to fit them. Obviously we can't show you in daylight because they don't show up. So we'll get them fitted and then we'll come back later on. Obviously you'll see the finished video, so you'll see them working. So basically you need a small screwdriver. So under there's a little clip there, and we're just going to go in there. So you'll see, if Lauren can see under there where the light unit is, there's a little slot there. So we're just going to take that off, he says. So you see there how we use that clip just to push that in and it'll pull down. Now these do come off, these lenses, so don't be worried if you click this off, because they only clip on, and then obviously you can just get to that little clip there. So one big plug on these, which is that one, and then you'll see on there, so these will work for both types. So they'll work for R56, R53 and F56. You can see there it's got both plugs ready for both. So obviously this one, as you can see there, nice big plug, big hole, slot that in, and as you can see there it's lit up. Now I'll show you on my hand there, you can see the John Cooper work. So obviously dependent on where you want it, that way or that way. So it's just a case of getting that in, tuck your wire in, make sure nothing's grabbing, and you'll see there's a little clip there. So make sure it is fully in, and it's just a matter of doing that. So that's it basically. What we'll do is we'll leave these, we've got these in now, we'll go around do the other side, and then we'll come back later and finish off the video when we can see them in the dark. So there, as you see, same on this side. So again, you can see that little slot there, little flathead in. Push the clip, just like that. Give it a wiggle to release that, and again same on this side, 4-pin. You see there it's got a little key, so obviously it'll only go in, you won't put it in that way because the key won't fit. Whereas if you put it that way, it slots in there, lights up, and again you've got your little works emblem. Obviously it looks tiny because I'm dead close, you'll see it later, it'll be big on the floor. So we just tuck that back in, and again just make sure that's just fitting there and click it back in, and that's it basically guys.
Why not?